Hi, amazing people. Today, I want to teach you guys how to slick your hair. And when I mean slick your hair, I mean probably you want to, assuming you're just on a natural hair, and that emergency that comes up that you have to be in a particular place, and you're thinking, oh, what do I do to my hair? Or maybe you don't just have any slightest idea on what to do to your hair. Today I want to show you guys what you can do to your hair for an occasion, whether high profile occasion or whatever. This hairstyle suits it. Now you can actually go with your ponytail. You know this ponytail you can actually attach at the end if you want. But if you don't want, you can just comb your hair after doing this amazing style that I'm about to show you off. So the first thing you need is number one, your gel. Okay, this is eco gel. Yeah, this is, hope you guys can see well. This is eco gel, but I've actually mixed it with the usual normal black gel you guys all know. The reason why I did is because I don't just like using just eco gel, because I feel like it doesn't really hold that much. I don't know, but for me it doesn't really hold that much, so I prefer mixing with a black gel so that it will be able to be firm. Okay, then the next thing is your edge control. Like, you need to slick that edges. So this is the edge control I'll be using. This is olive oil edge control. You guys can see it well. Yeah, so this is the edge control I'll be using. And the next thing you will need is your brush. Like, you need your brush to take it to any direction you want it to go to. Okay, and I also have my detangle brush, because I just moved my hair. You guys can just see, just with my hair. So I need the detangle brush to tangle the tip in case there's any obstruction. Okay, then you have your comb to comb out if there is need for that. And this is my toothbrush. This is the old toothbrush too. You guys know what this thing is used for now, to lay your edges. But if you have all these foreign modern ones, me, I'm not used to modern facilities, so I'm used to this old stuff, and that's what I'll be using. And this comb just cuts and also my hairband to hold the hair, and my hair tie to tie the hair. Okay, and of course I'll be using this at the end, just for the sake of this video though. Yeah, to just show you guys what you can actually attach at the end of the hair if there is need for that. So let's dive right into it. The first thing I'm going to do right now is to lose my hair, because I've actually applied everything I need. So in case you not done anything, you guys know the usual hair food. Yes, hair food, because this is our hair, especially if you're natural hair, not just natural hair like virgin hair. Like, everybody knows that this hair consumes a lot. Like, you need to feed this hair, we all know that. So I've applied everything I need to apply, my conditioner, oil, whatever I need to apply, and I just need to go right into it, like as the hot. Let's go. So first thing I need to do is to do what lose this. So let's lose out what. Oh my god, so I need this to just be fast. Just go in this. trying to be as fast as possible for the sake of this video. So you just have to take the braids out. Now I'm done, okay? You guys can see. But next thing I have to do is just to see. I don't want to make this video to be unnecessarily long. So I just have to go right into, just imagine you're in a hurry. You don't have time to don't mind, but you need to be really careful to make sure that you're having a good result. So I'll go ahead and make sure that my pattern is well parted. If there's anything like that, I'm gonna do a side parting. Okay, you can choose to go all up or whichever way, but I just want to go with side parting. So let's go. Did I just say side? Sorry, this is center. Oh, it's like I just say side. I said doing side. No, please, center parting. Yeah, it's gonna be center. I don't know if this is well parted, guys, or if you should help me judge. Is this well parted? Okay, I'm gonna go with this, please. And next thing, I have to just brush my hair. Remember, I've done everything. Just remember, I've done everything I need to do. Everything I need to apply on my hair. Sorry. So you see that some of the things are even brought. I don't know. So be able to slick well. I don't need this to disangle again. So I just have to. This is where the work is. This is where the work is, because you have to put a lot of effort so that it's gonna slick. When I mean slick, like lie very low. Okay, so I started the work on my people. See, have to push. Make sure you brush well. Then I gather this part, like you see the way it is now. So just gather it. Ooh, the result is coming out already. So I want it to be really low. When I mean low, I mean like here. Can you guys see it? Like I want it to be really low. So I have to brush again to make sure that it's smooth. Now, if you have stubborn hair, for those of you that have stubborn hair, you can just go in with water or go in with anything that is going to help make the hair to be soft and like lie really well. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So I'm going with my hairband to hold the hair really tight. Not that tight, so that you're not having headache because you're doing hairstyle. I beg you. Next thing I'm going to do is just try and brush down, because front hair can be really embarrassing. You see how easy this thing is? Very easy. So a lot of people are wondering what to do to your hair. You can even go this way, but no, we need to slick. So I'll go in with my what, and let's go. I want it to be really what? Neat. So I'm going to just see, this is what I like about my hair, is that my hair is very obedient. I think my hair is one of the most obedient hair I've seen. My hair is obedient to the core. Very obedient. Like, I'm able to say that. Very obedient. I've not seen any hair that is as obedient as mine. All I've seen is stubborn hairs. Hairs are so stubborn. But I'm so lucky. My hair is as obedient as myself. Why are you looking at me like that? Yes, I'm obedient. What do you mean? Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you giving me that look? I'm obedient. Stop giving me that look. So, I don't want to apply a lot of gel on this hair. Yeah. So you can choose to go in with more depending on the nature of your hair. See, it's already slick, baby. Yeah, that's the reason why I applied the black normal gel into this, because it's going to make the whole work very easy. Like, when I mean easy, very much easy. You don't need to do much work. But if you just the normal eco gel don't really stick like that. So the eco gel that you know, nah, it doesn't stick like that. So I have to still apply just a little. Me, I don't want to apply much because I don't want something that will start making me uncomfortable. Like, you know, for me though, I don't like applying much gel on my hair. I don't know, but depending on your nature of hair, you can just go in with whatever. Okay. Now, if you want to lay your edges, see, like I said, you guys can see already. See how slicky it's looking. Oh my goodness! So I just have to go apply just upper parts, just in case the hair is flying around. Remember, I said I don't want to apply a lot of gel, please. Like, I personally don't like it. But if you're the kind of person that has stubborn hair, that your hair find it difficult to sit, please just pack it. Pack all, okay? Pack as many as you can so that it's be able to sit. Me, I don't like plain tube because my hair is quite obedient. So what's the need? Then I'll go in with this, my eco gel, just to, for formality's sake, because me, I don't want to design plain tube. You know this baby face of a thing. Me, I don't want to do plain tube baby face. Okay, but let's just, for the sake of this video, hope this baby face is coming out really well because I don't understand what I'm doing. I know Kukuma spoil with me, I don't do. Oh my god. Oh, my baby face is trying to disappoint me, guys. Can you imagine? How is it coming? How is it? Oh my goodness. Please, is this very first baby face? You know, you should help me. Oh, God, I beg. Oh. God, I beg. Oh. Okay, oh, let's be doing what we're doing. Let's continue doing what we're doing. Oh. You can choose to bring it out like this again. Oh. But me, I don't want. I just want something simple because I'm a very simple girl. So you can choose to do a lot of plenty edges. But I think I'm okay with this. Then I go in with this. Let's enter this part. See how we can. It's just to style it though. It's not even necessary. It's just to style it. It's not necessary at all. This one is not even corresponding at all. Waiting to happen. Waiting the occur for here. Okay, I think I'm seeing something. See, this is not even necessary because my hair like this don't sleep finish. But I just want to do it for the purpose of this video. So you can see you can actually style, give it a very nice baby face. Okay, let's do. I think the baby face is baby facing. Guys, how is the baby face? Hope it's baby facing. Okay, I think I prefer this part to this part. I think I should just do something similar here. Hope it hasn't dried yet. Okay. Then this. Yeah. So I think we're good to go. What do you guys think? See, I beg. I think it's okay. So I'll just take this one behind. But if you choose to do any more extra stuff, you can go on or beg. You can still go on. You see how simple it is. The next thing I'll do, see, my hair is already sleeping. You don't sleep already, but let me just tie it. So I'll just go in and tie my hair so that it's going to dry up really fast. Remember I said this is just for emergency. Imagine you just got a call that you need to be so placed and you're not even ready. You're not even ready at all. And you're thinking of what to do. What do I do to this hair? This is the video. This is the place for you. Watch this video and do also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Okay? So while I'm waiting for the hair to dry up a little bit, if you have a dryer, you can go with a dryer. If you don't have a dryer, just wait a little. then I'll just go in with this. The essence of this is just for me, I feel it's formality, because see the behind though. Make I show you guys the behind, the back of the hair, to see that it's already okay. You guys can see. Can you see the back of the hair? Like, you see how okay it is already. Can you guys see? It's already okay. So I just want to do this for formality's sake, so you guys can actually see. If you have a ponytail, this is the right time to put your ponytail. But if you don't, if you have anything like, you see this shakara thing that I have like this, I'll just go in with it. So let me just turn back so you guys can see what I'm doing. So let's go. So make sure to just go for it. You guys see? You can't really see what the behind looks like, okay, but you just have to draw over. And you guys, I guess use my hand to do it. So I just want to do this stuff so you guys can see what it's like. But if you have your ponytail, you can just put it at this moment and wait for like a few minutes, and your hair is gonna be giving. So I feel for the sake of this video, yeah, let me just take it off because I don't want it to be long. Let me just take it off because I feel like it must have dried for the sake of this video. But if you want it to be more firm, you can just go in with the hair tie, like protect your hair now so it won't get scattered, because the more firm it is, the more what's the English now? You understand now? Oh my god, you understand, guys? So let's just take it out. I beg. Time is ticking, time is ticking, time is ticking. Let's just take it out. Agreed? So let's see what it looks like within these few minutes, because I don't have time. I don't got time. Woo! This, oh my god, can you guys see the look? Can you guys see the look? So you can actually go in with whatever you have for the end, but personally for me, I can actually go with this because the gold, I love it. Yeah, I love it. So the gold is like popping, like I love it. Where you can just choose to go just to your hair. You understand? You don't even need to do too much. We're even trying to just. So guys, can you guys see the end? Oh my goodness. See, you can actually go in with whatever you have at the end. So let me show you guys. So if you love this video, do what to subscribe. Hit that subscription button. Hello, hit the subscription button. Give this live a thumbs up. Share. This is the emergency hair. See how emergency hair is looking. Just imagine if I took my time. Like, you don't even need to go to the salon to waste money. What is DIY? Do it yourself, bro. Do it yourself, girl. Do it yourself and trust me. So yeah, imagine if you don't have money for salon, or salon is not even close by. Like, you can't even go to the salon. You can't even go to the salon that moment, but you need to get your hair done. This is actually for you.